Hi everyone, my name is Harman. Thank you for coming to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to remove our makeup. This step is very important. Like we all learn how to apply a makeup, but when it comes to removing a makeup, sometimes we just use like a normal cleanser and we think, oh, that's gonna be, it's gonna be good. It will take off all my makeup off, but it will not, and at the end sometimes you get all the breakage and you always think, oh, I'm applying a moisturizer on, I'm taking my makeup off, so why I'm getting all the skin problems? Is just because sometimes when you're not taking all the makeup off from your skin, so that's how sometimes you get all the breakage or the skin problems. So in this video we're talking about how to remove a makeup, because I have a very sensitive skin, so I don't use any makeup remover wipes or the cleansing water or anything like that, because when I use them I ended up getting like a pimples or the acne on my skin, so I always avoid to use these products on my skin. So if your skin is sensitive like me, please watch the video till the end, because I'm gonna talk about and I'm gonna share one product which will be very beneficial for your skin. And so I always use a coconut oil on my skin. As we all know that coconut oil is very good. If it doesn't matter if it's for the skin, for the hair, or we also use coconut oil in the cooking. So I use coconut oil from, I think, from so many years, from last like 2-3 years, and I never ever have any problem with that. So I thought I should share with you guys, so maybe this video will help someone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before moving this makeup on, I just want to share with you guys one thing. If you are wondering, you want a long last makeup and which will cover if you have any like a dark circle or a pigmentation on your skin, and if you're looking at foundation which will cover all that, so the best foundation I think I know is a Estee Lauder Double Wear. So that foundation is really good to it cover all your pigmentation. I have this foundation on today, so I applied this foundation probably 8:30 in the morning, and now it's nearly 5:30, so it's around like 8 to 9 hours. And if you see guys, it still looks so good. It doesn't go cakey at all, and I didn't even reapply the makeup, not even a once. And the lipstick I applied today, it's a Milani one, and the Milani lipsticks are really good. I will leave the lipstick name and the number in the description box, and the foundation too. So if anybody would like to buy, you can check my description box. And I know the Estee Lauder foundation is a little bit in expensive side, but believe me guys, every single penny when you're spending on this foundation, it's worth it, because you don't have to worry about after that at all. You don't have to reapply your makeup. This is the best foundation so far, I find. So I thought I just share a review with you guys, so maybe this will be beneficial for you. So now I'm going to apply a coconut oil on my face. I gonna gently rub on my face. I'm not going too hard, and just gently rub on your face for like 20 to 30 seconds, because you just want to make sure that it goes into your skin and it will take all the makeup out. And then I will take a tissue and I'll wipe all the makeup off. But then I'm going to repeat this process again. I normally do this I normally repeat this at least like 2 times, just to make sure that it will took all the makeup off from my skin, and I always do my neck area as well, because normally when I apply a makeup I will drag down to the neck area as well. So I always reapply the coconut oil on my face, just to make sure that it will take all the makeup off from my skin. So after removing all the oil from my face, I clean my face with the cleanser. I always rinse my face with the warm water before putting any cleanser on there. It will make little bit easy to clean your face. And then after that I apply a cleanser on, and I just gently rub into my skin, and then I just wash my face with the warm water. So just after that I just dry my face with the towel. So now my face is ready to put the moisturizer. So if you see guys, there is no makeup on my skin.